Hello everyone, welcome to yet another special video from the General Math video series from Knowledge. Today I'm going to be teaching you on how to solve an equation in a simpler manner. An equation is an expression that states that the expression on the left hand side is equal to the expression on the right hand side. The expression is usually given with a variable for which you have to find the value. And this value, if it's substituted to the variable, then it satisfies the equation. So let's start with the basic equation now. We have 2 plus y is equal to 11. Now the first thing you have to do is you have to move all the like terms to one side. So now you can see that you have a variable y here and 2 is a constant term as well as 11. So you will be moving your 2 from your left hand side to your right hand side. So this makes minus 2 here. So your y is equal to 11 minus 2 is 9. So this is the value for y. Now if you just plug in this value here, then it satisfies this equation. You have 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. Our next equation is 4x minus 12 by 3 is equal to 4. Now here you have two terms here, 4x minus 12. This is a constant term. And 4 is also a constant term, and you have a denominator for these two terms. So this is a common denominator, so let's first get rid of this. So 4x minus 12 is equal to 4, and this denominator is actually a divisor here, so when it moves to your right hand side, it becomes a multiple. So your answer is 4x minus 12 is equal to 12. And now you have to move your constant term to the right hand side, because as I said, you have to move all your like terms to one side. So keeping 4x here, you have 12 over here, and minus 12 will move to your right hand side to become plus 12. Now you have 4x is equal to 12 plus 12 is 24, and x is equal to 24 divided by 4, which will give you 6. So your value for x is 6. Now we have another equation here, 11n minus 6n is equal to 6. Now you can see that you have two terms with the same variable, so it's much easier for us to solve this. 11n minus 6n will give you 5n is equal to 6. Now your value for n will be 6 divided by 5. The coefficient of n is a multiple here, so 5 will do the job of dividing on your right hand side. So this will actually give you 1 by 5. So this will be the value of n. Now our next equation is 7x plus 6 plus 7x is equal to 9. Now here this expression has to be multiplied with 7. So 7 into x will give you 7x, and 7 into 6 will give you 42. So plus 42 and plus 7x is equal to 9. So now you have 7x and 7x here. So let's add this. So this will give you 14x, and here you have a constant term. So let's move it to the right hand side. Is equal to 9, and this plus 42 on your right hand side will become minus 42. Now you have 14x is equal to 9 minus 42 is minus 33, and x is equal to minus 33 divided by 14. Now when you divide this, you get x is equal to minus 2 5 by 14. Now let's move on to a slightly complex one. So you have 2 plus 4 into 3x plus 2 is equal to 2 into 5x plus 1 plus 10. So as you can see, this 4 has to be multiplied with these two terms, and here 2 has to be multiplied with these two terms. So let's write 2 as it is, then 4 into 3x will give you 12x, and plus 4 into 2 will give you 8 is equal to 2 into 5x will give you 10x plus 2 into 1 is 2 plus 10. Now, as I said, we can move the like terms to one side. So, but we already have two constant terms over here. So, let's add this. So, 12x plus 8 plus 2 is 10 is equal to 10x plus 2 plus 10 is 12. Now, let's move 10x to your left hand side. So, 12x minus 10x is equal to, this 12 will be here and this 10 will move to your right hand side and make it minus 10. 12x minus 10x is 2x is equal to 12 minus 10 is 2. So x is equal to 2 divided by 2. So you cancel this gives you 1. So x is equal to 1. Now there's an exercise for you too. You can try 3 into x plus 1 is equal to 5 plus x. And you can post your answers in the comment box. Hope you find this video useful. If yes, make sure that you give a thumbs up and share it to your friends too. Also check out the other videos from my channel. All your views and suggestions are welcome. So feel free to mention it in the comment box. So let's meet in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.